Some people ask me what I carry when I'm about to go mule deer hunting. Well, here's the basics of what I have on my person almost at all times when I'm scouting and hunting deer. Good pair of binoculars, a rangefinder, gloves and Ziplock bags and wet ones for mainly cleaning the deer. The wet ones come in handy for other activities when you're out there and about. I carry a Leatherman. I carry 2 Havalon knives, one with a bone saw and one of the regular knives. To dress the deer, I use these two rather quickly and efficiently to take care of it. I always carry a flashlight. Sometimes I'm out early in the morning, and sometimes you shoot a deer late and you need a flashlight so you can dress it and get it out of there. And then I carry a bandana for multiple uses, and a string of rope for also multiple uses. And that's the main gear I carry. Of course, I also carry water and snacks, but that's the main gear that I want to make sure I have with me when I'm out hunting a deer. Well, we got it done. First set of deer I saw this morning. Couldn't believe it when I saw this nice buck in there. Nice 4-point. Pretty good spread. The thing I like about the deer up here is they're dark antlers. And of course they make great eating later. Well, I guess it's time to get on the cleaning. Well, we've got to retrieve that deer. My hat in the tree so I could see it. There it is. Oh, good. I'm used to field dressing a deer. Usually I have a buddy with me, but today I didn't. So I used some rope to help hold him open while I did the work. Nice buck. Nice buck. And and that's why I pack what I pack. The gloves came in handy. This extra bag serves as a trash bag as well as my bloody knives, so they're easily stored and packed out, or back to camp without getting all the guts and everything in your pocket or whatever. And the handy wipes, obviously, keep your hands clean. And I believe that work is deserving of a Diet Coke. You gotta love wild turkeys. Well, after several years of waiting to draw a tag, just a regular public tag, we got the deer, and he's all processed now. And this is, we'll take this back and do a European mount. All of the body parts are back into the wilderness where they can decompose and be taken care of by the animals. And then we've deboned and everything. And that is the meat that will go back, and we'll process it and eat it up. Thanks much.